Good afternoon to the Korean community all over the world. And wherever you are, whatever time zone, good morning, good evening to everyone. Yes, today is another mass adoption training again with our able Hadley. Today is Monday. We usually have our mass adoption training where we meet with our able Hadley to learn from him. So, guys, today is another Monday. Come on board by 4 p.m. West African time. Invite your prospects, invite your referrals, invite everyone. Let them come and listen. Let them come and listen and hear and learn from the admin. So, guys, keep it a time, keep it a date. 4 p.m. West African time. Join us. And to members of the community, log into your credit card back office, go to meetings, and other meetings, you will see the Zoom link there. So, guys, looking forward to see you. Come with your questions on the policies and the running of TBC. Come and hear from the admin, and also to learn a way to improve yourself. Thank you. See you shortly in the meeting. Thank you. Bye for now.